Guys, most people think recording ideas is the hard part, but honestly, recording is easy. The real challenge is turning voice memos, brainstorms, calls, and random thoughts into something you can actually use. I am Daniel, and on this channel, I test gadgets and devices to give you a clear picture of what they're really like before you buy. Today, I'm trying out the Plaud Note Pro, a small physical AI note-taker and voice recorder. They sent me one to test, and I want to treat it as a real work tool, not just another recorder. So in this video, I'm using it during a content planning session to see if it can turn a messy solo brainstorm into an outline, key points, and maybe even a clear action list. This video is sponsored by Plaud. And guys, before we dive into this one, all the useful links and exclusive discounts are waiting for you in the description below. Okay, let's get started. Alright my friends, let's start with the overall look of Plaud Note Pro. Out of the box, it's basically credit card sized. The device is super slim, around 0.12 inches thick, and the metal body makes it feel more professional than you might expect. It weighs just over an ounce, so it's easy to carry, but it still looks like a proper work device, next to your phone or laptop. Plaud Note Pro also comes with a leather magnetic case that gives you that familiar MagSafe style snap-on feel. And if your phone doesn't support MagSafe, there's a magnetic ring in the box, so you can still attach it in a similar way. Setup is pretty straightforward too. You pair it with the Plaud app, sign up, and you're basically ready to record. The instant view display is a nice touch because it shows recording status, battery, and file transfers. And now let's talk about how I used it in my everyday workflow. Guys, before we continue, if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on all my future unboxings and reviews. Thanks! Before I record with Plaud Note Pro, let me quickly show you what this usually looks like on my phone. First, I unlock my phone. Then I find the voice recorder app. I open it, start a new recording, and now I can finally talk. Let's say I record title ideas, hook ideas, sections and notes for the video. Then I stop the recording. Now it is saved as just an audio file. If I want to actually use it, I still need to find the file, rename it, and maybe share it somewhere. Then I'll have to upload it to another tool, wait for transcription, and only then start working with the text. This is the part that gets annoying for me, because you know folks, for content creators, planning is a big deal. And let's be honest, it's not always the clean, straightforward process we wish it was. Sometimes it's just me walking around, testing title ideas out loud, or trying out different hooks. Other times I'm thinking through segments, making notes for B-roll, and trying to predict what viewers might ask. And as you can see, that's exactly what I recorded with Plaud Note Pro. I hit record and just let the messy thinking happen. Now let me brainstorm some punchy YouTube titles. What would be good for this video? Maybe can an AI voice recorder replace my phone recorder? Or the best physical AI note-taker for creators? I was recording the ideas so I wouldn't lose any of them. It wasn't polished, but that was the whole point. What I liked here, guys, is that Plaud Note Pro lets me think out loud without typing, switching apps, or trying to organize everything in the moment. It captures the whole creative mess first. But the real question is whether it can help clean it up afterward. Now mates, this is where Plaud Note Pro becomes more than a voice recorder. After I finished the brainstorm, I opened the Plaud app and Plaud desktop, and the audio was there, synced with cloud storage and securely saved. Honestly, I'm pretty satisfied because the content feels much more organized than having random recordings scattered across my phone. The important part is Plaud intelligence. Inside the app, the AI transcribes the session, including speaker labels. And instead of giving you only a long block of text, it also pulls out a summary with the main points. Guys, you can also choose different summary templates. The service offers thousands of them. Then there's a cool feature called Ask Plaud. So let me ask it, what are the top 3 ideas from this session? And just like that, it gives me a clear list. Now I wanted to turn the brainstorm into a YouTube video outline. These are the sections and the flow I actually talked through. The AI also suggested next steps and action items. And that's really the value here, guys. Plaud Note Pro is not just saving audio, it helps convert loose spoken ideas into structured, searchable, reusable material. Finally, if you want to test the workflow before committing to a paid plan, you absolutely can. Plaud includes 300 minutes of free transcription per month, which is more than enough to comfortably test the waters. Alright, my friends, let's wrap it up. Plaud Note Pro honestly surprised me. As a creator, I am always looking for better ways to capture ideas and turn them into real content. And this device cuts down a lot of the busy work. For me, the biggest difference is that it turns audio into something you can actually use, not just a file you forget about. So if you're looking for a physical AI note taker or a decent AI voice recorder for work, this is definitely worth checking out. Just last important note: before you record, take a moment to let others know and get their okay. Thanks for being mindful of privacy and local laws. Remember to check the links in the description for additional information and discounts. If you found this review helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.